Everyone, so it's been another month and I have a whole bunch of empties to show you. If you're new to my channel, I'm a big project panner, but I also update not only my project panning but also empties that I use up every month. If that would interest you, I hope you'll come back, subscribe, and without any further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I have a conditioner here, and this is the Biosilk Hydrating Therapy Conditioner. I really like this. This thing is enormous. It's 34 full ounces. And I know I have another, maybe 2 more of these in my collection. This works so nicely to soften my hair after I've shampooed. I just put that in, rinse it out. It's amazing. I really like it. I have another of these. You'll see these almost every month. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is the Buttercups and Berry Bellini Body Wash. I do go through a lot of body washes every month. I share them with others in the house, so we go through them very fast. I have this from Makeup Revolution, and this is the Serum Boost Fixing Spray. I won't go into too much detail. If you missed my Project Pan update, I did talk about that here, or I did talk about that over there, but so I used this up. This took quite a long time to use up. I used up another, this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Again, another one that I did talk about a little bit more in my update. But just to kind of talk about a little bit, this is okay. Just depends on the foundation and concealers that you're using. I used up one of these. This is the Bath & Body Works Sweetheart Cherry Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. So this is a really nice body cream. I do really enjoy this product here. I don't like some of Bath & Body Works lotions. I only like the ones with the shea butter. I think they work well. So I did use this one up. I used this here up. This is the Athena Club Healing Dots. This is the, well, it's pretty obvious what this is for. It works really well. And I always have to have at least a couple of these. My skin can kind of change every once in a while in the month, so I like having those on hand. I have this here. This is the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. And this was just a travel size sample one. I think I got with a purchase when, actually I don't know if I got this from Ulta, I'm not quite sure. Oh, I think this was a birthday gift actually. Yeah, that's what it was. It was a birthday gift. They were giving this away, but this is really nice. I really like this brand. Really works nicely for hydrating. I have this here. Everything's so sticky. You think something got all over everything. I'm not sure what it is, but definitely my hands are wet from something that's spilled. This is from elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Renewal Serum. So this is pretty nice. Can't really say too much about it, but I've been using elemis products on my skin for a while now. And I bought an advent calendar this December, and after trying everything that I've been trying so far, I have a whole bunch left. I think my skin is really liking this brand, and I think it's going to be one that I'm going to really look for and maybe get another advent calendar. I'm not quite sure if they have one this year. I have this here. This is the Say I Love You Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion. So I've had this for quite a while. I believe I got this on Marshall's half price, and it's really, really nice. It scrubs very nice. It's kind of a hard sand grit. It really works to get all the dead skin and stuff off of your face, or, you know, I suppose you could use on your body. I use on my face. It is very expensive, but it works. I think it's worth it. I use this up. This is the Cath Kidson Lip Balm, and this is the scent Eggnog. So that's what this one looks like. I squeezed everything I could out of this, and it's nice. Not too much to say about it. It was nice. This is the Tartelette Tubing Mascara, and I did use this up. It is not my favorite mascara. I won't go into too many details. If you want a little bit more, my makeup update every month, I do that. I just posted that, talked really in depth about this, so if you're interested in seeing more about it, then I hope you go and check that out. I used up a candle here. Oh, so messy. This is the Bath & Body Works Mom Your Magical Pink, Lilac, and Vanilla. So this is what this looks like. This is in really bad shape. It was why I was really trying to use this up, because this is just falling apart. All of these stickers are falling off, and I just wanted to use it up to get it out of my collection. It does smell good, but when it starts looking like that, I just want to get it out. I used this up. This is the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Cleanser. So that's what this one looks like, and it works really good to take out your makeup, and then I just go in with a toner, and yeah, pretty nice. I have this. This is from Farmacy. This is the 10% waterless vitamin C serum. I can't really say too much about this. I don't know what this is on here, but I did use this one up. I am actually going to declutter this. This is the Empties Eyebrow Pro Wax. That's what it looks like, the outside. Excuse me. Oh, I can't even get it open. It's so bad here. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside, and I think it's gone bad. I just have that feeling that it has gone bad. I haven't used this in a long time, but I don't like the way it's looking right now. Use this up here. This is the Athena Club Shave Foam. I go through these all the time, and if you're interested in purchasing these, because I rave about these all the time, Target, I'll probably end up buying them from Target now. I just stopped my subscription just temporarily, but I do really enjoy it though. I just have too much. This is from Eco Fabulous. It's a concealer, and so this is what it looks like. If you want to, I'll say a little bit about it, I guess. I said a lot in depth in my makeup, of course, but it is good. It's very runny formula, but it was okay. I wouldn't repurchase. I don't even know if I could. I got it from Marshall's, and I used this up, and I don't even know what brand this is. That's the honest truth, because all of this just came right off, but I used up a powder. And I think that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I hope you consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.